tumbled leather. Alright, y'all. Yo, what's good? It's a lot of light out here. It's kind of like golden hour, kind of getting there a little bit, but it's a lot of light coming through this window. I ain't seen y'all in a minute. What's good? It's good to see y'all. I've been chilling. I've been out. I've been thinking about a new channel that I was gonna start. Not really sure what I'm gonna do, but today I'm out at the Parkway. Got my kids and everything out here. They running around. But I do have this shoe that I want to be reviewing with y'all, and this is the Travis Scott reverse olive green something, whatever the shoe is called, that's what it's called. I don't know if this is a real shoe or a demo piece or maybe some type of creation that these people put together. I'm not really sure. So this is the shoe right here. Here y'all go. Y'all can see that. This is the shoe right here. You know, it's the same joint as the brown one, the mochas, same. There's nothing really different with it. It's the same shoe. It's the suede. It's just green. You know what I'm saying? It's just that nice olive green. I'm trying to hold it back here so y'all can see it. But, you know, that nice olive. Like, and this jacket right here is like an olive jacket that I got from Costco. It was like 20 bucks. It's a Banana Republic jacket. I got like this orange, almost salmon type colored hoodie, you know, that I got from Target. And then, you know, you could throw something like these on in this little combination with blue jeans or black jeans or tan or white or whatever you want to do. Like, you can mix it up. I think this shoe is real dope in terms of the color. You know what I'm saying? The shoe is fire. You got your Cactus Jack here still. You know, the other shoe. Let me see this joint. I'm gonna give y'all some close-up shots too. I'll give y'all some B-roll. You got these red laces that they came with, and then you got, you know, these olive joints right here, and they come with the standard black. This one has the frown face on it. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a women's shoe or not, you know what I mean? But it's like I said, you know, you got the olive bottom. Like, this is a solid colorway. I can see a lot of people rocking these, definitely putting these together. See, now me, I kind of really don't have a style anymore. I just kind of wear whatever. I'll just grab stuff off the rack or out of the closet, out of the drawers. It'd be sweatpants. It might be slacks. It could be, you know, dress pants, and it might be a hoodie. It might be a bomber jacket. It might be a Sherpa. It might be a poncho. I don't know. I'm ranting, but basically the shoe is fire. You know what I'm saying? It's got good suede. It's got a good sole, got good texture. Insole, it's glued in, but it's like a standard one, probably the blue one. It's got the Cactus Jack. These are a size 10. Got the leather right here with the Nike swoosh, and y'all gonna see this in the B-roll. Let me see. I don't think I see anything else. I mean, you got your nice nubuck or whatever this material is right here, but you know, the suede is nice. You got some transition. So I'm gonna get over here and do this these on-foot shots that y'all should be seeing through this little video right here. I'm gonna lace these joints up. I'll probably just leave the black laces in. I'm not gonna do nothing. I think white laces would be dope in these too, or red. You know what I'm saying? The red ones will probably be nice, or maybe some yellow. You know, people was doing the yellow a lot. But y'all can still follow me here. I'll still be doing the shoes periodically. I'm gonna hit y'all up. Y'all can follow me on the Instagram. I'm still around, and then we'll keep it pushing, y'all. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in a minute. Deuces.